The smile that you ignore today could cost you tomorrow. Hi, my name is Siba Korar, a dental student and a part-time content creator. Have you ever ignored a small toothache thinking it will go away on its own? Or noticed a bleeding gum and told yourself it's probably nothing? The truth is, most dental problems don't start with severe pain. They start silently, a small cavity, a little bleeding, bad breath, and sensitivity. And because there's no major pain in the beginning, most people ignore it until one day they can't eat, they can't sleep, and they can't smile confidently anymore. So today I want to talk about three common dental diseases that silently destroy your oral health and what can you do before it's too late. Let's start with the most common dental disease, dental caries, also known as tooth decay. It usually starts with something very small, a tiny black spot, a little sensitivity when drinking something cold, food getting stuck between your teeth. And many people say it doesn't hurt yet, so it's fine. But inside your mouth, bacteria are feeding on your sugar from the food you eat. This bacteria produce acid. That acid slowly destroy your tooth. First, it attacks the outer layer of your tooth called enamel. Then it moves deeper into the dentin. And if you still ignore, it reaches the pulp, the nerve of the tooth. That's when the pain becomes unbearable and suddenly eating becomes difficult, sleeping becomes impossible, even cold water hurts. And what could have been treated with a simple filling now may need root canal treatment, crown placement, and multiple dental visits, all because of one small cavity ignored for too long. Now, the second disease, gum disease. It can be called as gingivitis or periodontitis. Many people think bleeding gum is normal. When you brush, you see blood and you think, maybe I brushed too hard, but healthy gum should not bleed. Bleeding gum are often the first sign of gingivitis. This happens when plaque build up around your teeth and gums line. Plaque is a sticky film filled with bacteria. If not removed, your gums become red, swollen, tender, and they bleed easily. At this stage, the disease is still reversible, but if you ignore, it progresses to periodontitis and now it becomes serious. The infection begins damaging the bone that support your teeth. Your gums start pulling away, your teeth may lose, and eventually you may lose a perfect healthy teeth. But not because of cavities, but because your gums fail. Gingivitis can still be reversed, but not periodontitis, because in periodontitis you lose bones, tooth, and many other features. So when you get gum disease and you reach to the point you cannot treat by yourself, you have to do a professional teeth cleaning called scaling and root planing if you have periodontitis. Now let's talk about something nobody likes to hear, bad breath or halitosis. Sometimes people notice it before you do. Maybe someone step back while talking. Maybe they avoid close conversation. And you start wondering, what's wrong? Bad breath is not always caused by food. It can happen because of poor brushing, poor oral hygiene, food stuck between your teeth, bacteria on your tongue, gum infection, tooth decay, or you eat garlic, onion, or when you have diabetes or gastric or any other smelly thing. Many people brush their teeth, but they forget to clean their tongue, and that's where millions of bacteria can live. Bad breath doesn't just affect your mouth, it affects your confidence, your social life, even your professional image. And now, what can you do if you have bad breath? Brush daily, do flossing, clean your tongue, avoid smelly food, and use mouthwash. Here's something important. Your teeth are one of the few parts of your body that cannot be healed naturally once damaged. Once the tooth is destroyed, we can restore it, but we can never truly bring it back to the original natural tooth. That's why prevention is always better than treatment. So start today. Brush twice daily, clean your tongue, floss every day, and rinse your mouth and visit your dentist every 6 months. Because your teeth is not just about appearance, it's about health, it's about confidence, and it's about who you are. Take care of it before the pain forces you to. Thank you. See you on the next video.